going to do the mesh exactly like we do the 10-inch mesh using the daisy petal. All right, so what you're going to do is we're opening up our 21-inch piece, curl up. So again, when I let go of it, just like the 10-inch, that's curl up. We are going to turn it into a diamond shape. Now again, this is, let me grab a not so curly piece. Curl up. We're going to do the factory edges again on the left and right side. Get your 4 clips ready to go that you got. You're going to take the top corner, bring it down to the bottom corner, and match it up. Alrighty, just like that. Put a clip on the corner so it doesn't move. And then we're going to line up the edges as best we can. Now we did do a nice 21-inch piece, so they all should line up pretty well. And it doesn't have to be perfect with this because it's a really easy petal and it's very forgiving. Okay, so you have a giant triangle. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take the bottom corner. You're going to bring that bottom corner up to the top. What is with all the scammers today? There's another one there, Tina, if you can get rid of them. Bring that corner right up just below the top edge here. And then again, we're going to bring this bottom edge, fold it up right below. Now you're not going to go past this top edge, you're going to go just slightly below. Okay? And you're going to take a clip and clip the right side. Flatten it, going down. So it's, and then you're going to put a clip on the left side. So this is what you have. Okay? That's 1. We need 2. 2 of these per petal. Again, we're going to do the exact same fold, curl up, diamond shape, factory edge on the left, top, bottom right. Take the top corner, bring it down to the bottom. Get your clip, flip the corner, and then line up your edges as best you can. So I would just go straight up the middle, and once you get out the middle, get up through the middle, then just take your hands and just go like this. And that will flatten it out so you can make your petal formation. Okay, now we're going to take the bottom corner, again, bring it up just below that edge here. Okay. And then this bottom one, we're going to flip it up again just below this top edge. And this time, I'm going to flatten it. So you can see I'm not quite meeting right up with it, but just slightly, like 1/8 of an inch below it. Clip it. Go right across with your hand. This is a cute flower. Whatever color 21-inch mesh you guys got, you can make this flower. Now, it may not look like a daisy because it's not white. What is with all the trolls? Alrighty. Now, with this one, while it's clipped, you're going to flip it over. So flip it on itself and line up the 2 corners so they're the same length. Alrighty, and then once you have it flat like that, you're going to pinch do 1 pinch from the bottom to the middle, and then 1 pinch from the top to the middle, just like that. You're going to take one of your clips and clip it off. This one can come off now. This is the inner part of your daisy petal. Alrighty. Now this one, this is the other one that we did. What you're going to do is this one's going to stay down flat like this. The top of your petal is going to be the folded part. The bottom of the petal is where it opens up here. That is the bottom. This is the top, okay? You're going to have it flat in front of you. Take your inner petal that you just made, set it around the middle, or you could even flip it over, and that's the middle right there where my finger is. So I'm going to place this inner petal right in the middle here, just like that. You're going to take your right corner, bring it up, bring it so it's tight. So I'm holding down here, holding it down against this mesh with my left hand, and then I'm taking my right hand and bringing up this side. Okay, so you can see, and then you're going to bring the other side up, take these two clips off the bottom, and there we go. Now you're just going to mold it and fix, make sure it's all looks like a uniform one piece. Okay, so you only want a little bit of a gap at the top, and that is your petal. Okay, so the bottom of the petal, you can see it's got the two opening things here, and the top of our petal is rounded. All right, now I've pre-mated a bunch of petals. You can actually put your petal right in. The last petal I do, I'll do it like that. You can put it right into your board as you're making them. However, I like to use the little elastic bands. Okay, and what I want is the actual whole petal, I want at 10 inches. So take your petal, I'm putting the edge of it on my 10 inch, and then I'm going to pinch the tail at the 20 inch. So my whole petal, the top of my petal is 10 inches long. Okay, so I'm going to cut some of this bulk off. All right, and I still have it pinched at the 10 inch. I'm just going to elastic band it, or if you're putting it right onto the board, just put a clip right at the 10 inch where you pinched, okay, until you're ready to use it. Or you can take rubber band and rubber band it right at the 10 inch. Alrighty, and then that is your large